Top 5 Best Car Polishing Machines in 2020. Number 5. DEWALT DWP849X. DEWALT is a brand by Stanley Black & Decker. They make hand and power tools for manufacturing, woodwork, and construction. This 9-inch variable speed car polisher has a soft start that prolongs the motor's life. Design and build. DWP849X has a 12-ampere motor with a ball bearing construction that maximizes performance during demanding applications. The motor delivers variable speed between 0 to 600 and 0 to 3500 RPM. The polisher is equipped with a motor soft start. A soft starter is combined with an AC electric motor to reduce the load and torque in the powertrain. This also reduces the current surge during a machine startup, reducing stress on the motor and shaft. The electronic module helps sustain a chosen speed under load. This helps get a smooth finish and excellent results. The tool possesses wool ingestion shields that prolong the tool's life and reduce the service cost. Functionality. DEWALT DWP849X is ideal for polishing your car and boat. It is ideal for detailing and finishing projects on concrete and metal surfaces. The machine delivers pace control for applications such as metal fabrications, painting, boat and auto body detaillers, hobbyists and DIYers. The motor is constructed of heat-treated precision-cut gears made of steel which are fitted with ball bearings. These withstand the heat due to friction to deliver smooth operation. The 2-finger trigger helps control the variable speed and attitude of the machine while polishing. This, along with a soft start and speed control, comprise of the controlled finishing system to deliver an excellent finish. Capacity. The DEWALT DWP849X's 12-ampere motor consumes a maximum of 1250 watts of power, delivering 0 to 600 or 0 to 3000 RPM. The variable speed feature is ideal for different applications and materials. The spindle thread is 5/8 inch to 11. Additional features. DEWALT DWP849X pack includes a bag and gloves. The tool is backed by the standard DEWALT offering of a 90-day money-back guarantee, 3-year warranty, and 1-year free service. Pros. Great combination of power and finesse. Rubber gear case cover. Wool ingestion shield. Hook and loop backing pad. Straight side handles. Cons. The last 2 purchases had to be returned. No gloves or bag. Coming in number 4. Chemical Guys Buff and Porter Cable 7424XP Kit. Chemical Guys Manufacturing Company was founded in 1968 in Inglewood, California. They manufacture car care products such as car washes and chemicals. They make buffing pads, car wash accessories and machines. These products are combined as kits like this one. Design and build. The Chemical Guys Porter Cable 7424XP Complete Detailing Kit includes a variable speed polisher, counterweight, wrench, and a back plate. There are 5 hex logic pads, pad cleaner, 2 microfiber towels and pad conditioner. Everything you need to start using the polisher is included here. This professional grade tool combined with these accessories delivers the best finish. The model operates at a variable speed of 2500 to 6800 oscillations per minute. In the 7424XP, Porter Cable has improved the power switch design. This model makes polishing easy as you get a better hold and control on the machine. Functionality. The Chemical Guys Porter Cable 7424XP Complete Detailing Kit is the perfect solution for any car care enthusiast. The Porter Cable 7424XP has a polishing pad mounted in a central spindle. While the head spins, the pad orbits over the work surface, mimicking the movement of your hand. Imagine making 2500 to 6000 tight circles by your hand. The 7424XP does it for you. There is a counterweight at the opposite end to dampen vibrations that smoothen the operation. The orbital action of the tool prevents the formation of buffing marks, paint burns, and other kinds of paint damage. Capacity. The Porter Cable 7424XP has a 4.5 ampere motor that consumes 500 watts of power to deliver 2500 to 6800 OPM. The 5.5-inch hex logic pads in the detailing kit are meant for medium-heavy cutting, light-medium polishing, light polishing, or finishing and ultralight finishing. Additional features. The Chemical Guys Porter Cable 7424XP Complete Detailing Kit has 13 pieces. The Porter Cable 7424XP polisher is supported by a 3-year warranty. Pros. A complete polishing kit. Random orbital dual action polisher. 5 hex logic pads. Pad conditioner. Cons. A defective piece in the kit returned it. Second time around another defective piece. Coming in number 3. Makita 9237CX3. Makita Corporation manufactures power tools. The company was founded in 1915 in Anjay, Japan. They are market leaders in corded tools and cordless tools that use 18 volts LXT lithium-ion batteries. Design and build. Makita 9237CX3 is a 7-inch rotary polisher. The new model includes several innovative features. It has a rubberized housing and loop handle. The handle allows better control and grip on the power tool and protects delicate surfaces from damage. The side of the mesh has wire mesh covers to protect wool fibers from entering the motor and damaging it. There is an improved cord guard that offers improved flexibility and longer life to the connection between the tool and cord. Then there are the features that have given this tool a legacy status. The electronic controller that can be rolled to change the variable speed. The motor has a soft start and constant speed control. The brushes are externally accessible for easy serviceability. There is a rubber tool rest that allows you to place the tool on the side handle when it's not being used, and is a lock-on button that allows you to use the machine continuously. Also is a pad alignment or centering sleeve. And the 3-pronged plug at the end of the cord prevents the buildup of electricity. With these features and durability, the 9237CX3 remains the choice of industry professionals. Functionality. Makita 9237CX3 is a well-known workhorse of the polishing industry. This polisher can not only be used for shining your car but other surfaces such as tile, steel, stone, etc. This variable speed tool comes with a polishing kit. This means that you can do detailing and finishing work besides some lightweight polishing on daily surfaces such as a wooden table, etc. Capacity. Makita 9237CX3 has a 7-inch wide head. The 10-ampere variable speed motor delivers 0 to 3000 RPM. Additional features. Makita 9237CX3 package includes a 7-inch backing pad, a hook and loop, a wrench, a side handle, a compounding, a polishing attachment. There is a loop handle 9237C, a pad alignment or cantering sleeve, and a tool bag. Pros. Rubberized loop handle. Gear housing to protect the work surface. Wire mesh intake cover. Variable speed to match application. Soft start. Cons. Lasted 36 hours of buffing. Coming in number 2. TORQ 22D. TORQ Tool Company develops streamlined powerful tools to meet the demand for perfection. Their tools are preferred by hobbyists and professionals. Design and build. The TORQ 22D is a lightweight and durable polisher. It has an electronic user interface complete with a digital display and speed control buttons for intuitive and precise control. There are no triggers and dials as they are replaced by a triggerless technology for improved safety and control. The harmonious balancing (HB) feature has the machine configuration and internal components in a fine balanced for the ease of use and user comfort. The precision power feature brings you a powerful 900-watt motor for smooth startup and power delivery at all speed settings. The streamline integration feature brings you superior engineering as the head accepts 5-inch and 6-inch backing plates without the need for counterweight modifications that void the warranty. The user-centered design feature brings you a user-friendly design that keeps you comfortable over long periods of polishing without diminishing the efficiency of the tool. There is a safety support ridge that provides the machine mechanical support in the time of maintenance and storage. This 21mm throw of this orbital polisher helps deliver rapid correction of paint defects such as scratches, swirls, etc. There are high-flow cooling vents that draw fresh air for maximum cooling while the head is spinning and generating heat due to friction. The smooth engagement system is an electronically controlled system that applies speed gradually for better comfort and control. The polisher has a high-quality construction in components, materials, and design. The dynamic power management system delivers instant power and thrust to the motor to produce ideal power at all speeds. Symphonic lightweight construction reduces vibration in the tool. Functionality. The TORQ 22D is a versatile tool will help you apply glaze, sealant or wax in minutes. You can even use it to clean carpets and upholstery and restore a faded paint job easily and quickly. Capacity. The TORQ 22D is 20.5 inches by 8.4 inches by 8.4 inches in length, width, and height. It weighs 8 pounds. It has a 4.5 ampere motor that works at 120 volts and 60 Hz. Additional features. The TORQ 22D comes with a 1-year warranty. Pros. Interchangeable back plates. Cooling vents. Dynamic power management system. Cons. Coming in number 1. Milwaukee 2438 22XM12. Milwaukee Electric Tool Company manufactures power tools for professionals. The company has 500 tools and 3,500 accessories for various applications. They also have tools with lithium-ion technology working on 3 voltages M12, M18, and M28. The company was founded in 1924 and has an 85-year history of continuous innovation. Design and build. Milwaukee 2438 22X is a variable speed car polishing machine with a capacity of 7-inch heads. This tool holds the distinction of being the first full-size cordless rotary polisher. This polisher harnesses the power, runtime, and performance of the M18 line. The line comprises of the Power State brushless motor, the red lithium batteries and the Red Link Plus smart tool capabilities. All these features help you power through most applications. The tool is more than a pound lighter than the corded version, facilitating dexterity and maneuverability. The model has a variable speed trigger and dial. The M18 fuel brings you freedom of movement and from cords, cutting out the distractions and paint damage. Functionality. Milwaukee M18 fuel is fitted with M18 XC 5.0 batteries and can polish a full-sized car with a good to moderate paintwork in one charge. The polisher has a rubber overmold that protects the paint on the car's surface from scratches. There is a removable dust cover that protects the motor and other electronics from wool residue and fibers. The machine is designed in such a way that it distributes its weight over the pad. This provides natural pressure over the surface area in contact with the machine. Capacity. Milwaukee M18 fuel can polish one car on a charge. The polisher requires 18 volts at 60 Hz. It requires 7-inch pads. The shaft revolves at 0 to 2,200 RPM. The tool is 19.8 inches long, 4.10 inches wide and 3.31 inches high. The tool weighs 6.4 pounds with the battery. Additional features. This offer of Milwaukee M18 fuel is a tool only and supported by a 5-year warranty. Pros. Cordless. Variable speed. Cons. Kills the batteries. Drops RPM.